I'm Sam and I'm going to be building a Lego sewing machine today. So, I'm going to get a 4-piece white, like this, and take 2 of these white bricks and put like that. And same with, so these are all the parts you're going to need. You'll need 4 white studs, 2 of these, 4 2 pieces, 2 gray studs, and 4 of any color stud, like this. Okay, so you've got it out like that so far. Now, take a 2-piece white, and so it sort of looks like a chair. And then take another one and put it on top of that one. Now take the other 2 and put it like this. See, so now it's like sort of really tall chair. So now you're gonna get, and a gray disc. You're gonna put that like that, so it's like a tray. Now take this and put these 2, so flip the white piece upside down and stick these 2 pieces side by side, like, so it sort of looks like these, and stick it on top like so. Now, put your studs in a row like this, and you've got your Lego sewing machine. Thanks for watching. I have a bunch of different videos I'm going to be making, and have a good time building.